Hi students, today we are going to do the book exercise of chapter 4. So everyone get ready with the book. Let us start the class.
The true and false. Write T for true and F for false statement. The caps lock key should be on to type the upper characters of the key. False. The caps lock key should be on to type the upper characters of the key. False. The tab key moves the cursor left by 5 spaces. False. The tab key moves the cursor left by 5 spaces. False. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. True. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. True. The standard keyboard normally has 104 keys. True. The standard keyboard normally has 104 keys. True. Enter key is used to close a menu. False. Enter key is used to close a menu. False. Next we have fill in the blanks. The words are given in the box. We have to take the words from the box and fill in the blanks. The numeric keys on the right are called numeric keypad. The numeric keys on the right are called numeric keypad. You can press the dash key to type the upper characters of the key. Shift. You can press the dash key to type the upper characters of the key. Shift. Backspace key deletes a character to the dash of the cursor, left of the cursor. Backspace key deletes a character to the left of the cursor. When the dash key is on, the letters are typed in capitals. Caps lock. When the caps lock key is on, the letters are typed in capitals. You can press the dash key to type in the next line. Enter. You can press the enter key to type in the next line. Next we have the matching. Match the following by drawing lines. Shift key, enter key, delete key, tab key, space bar, arrow keys. So, largest key is the space bar. Match over here. Arrow key. These are the arrow keys. So, matching is over here. Type in next line is done by enter key. So, the matching is over here. Delete letter on right. Delete key. So, the matching is over here. Type upper character. It is matched with here shift key. Moves 5 spaces. Tab key. Matching is over here. Next. Activity time question number 1. We will do it for the practical. So leave it for now. Now. Question number 2 will be your homework. The spool of letters are there in the box. You have to find as many words you can find it from here and write any 6 over here. This will be your homework. So, after finishing the book exercise in the book and this HW work, please send me the work at dphhelpdesk@gmail.com for.
As we have done the book exercise today, your homework will be to finish writing the book exercise in the book, and next day we will do the question and answer. Bye bye.